63.59 for the Nifty. That's down by about 5-6 points, which is perfectly acceptable. Markets are consolidating. They could consolidate more. They could also soak in some correction. Let's look at individual stocks now. And you got to start with ICICI Bank and L&T. These two large economy-related stocks have been the success story. So ICICI Bank is flat, and then you got a flat start for L&T. The new CRC norm, bad news for L&T, bad news for power companies. Markets are reacting there. NTPC, by the way, has trended up smartly. It's been underperformer. It was the last one to participate and the first one to fall because the regime is no longer supportive for a company like NTPC as EPS and return on equity. They both will come down. Hero MotoCorp is off to a decent start, 21.31. Autos in general are in a strong groove, so to speak. IT is making a comeback, highly unlikely, but it's making a comeback. So TCS up by about 12 rupees. Infosys is also looking strong. If I have to mark the absolute loser on the Nifty, has to be NTPC. ONGC may look weak, but that's the dividend element here in ONGC. So ONGC, ignore that rate there. And in terms of absolute gainers, Bharti, Grasim and Sterlite.
Okay, some other names which have been holding out in trade, and I just want to see what the state-owned companies are up to. ONGC had a very good bump up yesterday. SPI is fairly tempered, so is ONGC actually. The rest of the OMC basket too, HP, BP, IOC were all looking good yesterday, as was the case with some of the mid-cap names which really sprung up. SCI, for instance, that's Shipping Corp, ended the day with double-digit gains, come off a wee bit today. OBC, Engineers India, Oil India, Canara Bank, these were the high flyers from the broader markets yesterday, and they all are taking a bit of a breather. 63.50 thereabouts is where the Nifty is right now in trade.